Look at my little Dave. He's sitting in front of the fan eater. Oh, a little tiny baby right in the middle of the floor, Gary. What are you doing? Don't you stalk my little baby. Ah! Gary. Look at him. Sitting in front of the fan eater. Ah, isn't he cute? He's like a little dog lying in front of the fan eater. Ah, Dave! Hello, Dave! Dave, you are cute. You just done a little poo on my floor, you mucky pup. What have you got on you? Have you been rooting round the... Oh, you got cobweb on you. Dave. Let's get it. That's better. Ooh. Ah. That's so hilarious, him lying in front of that fan eater. Jock used to sleep in... Well, he used to sit down in front of it and nod off. When it come on, it's a thermostatically controlled one, so it goes off and on. So when it goes off, Dave just goes off doing his thing, but when it comes on, he knows when it comes on because he goes and sits in front of it, the same as Amy does. Look at him stretched out. Oh, that is such a cute thing. Anyone that didn't realise what he was doing would think he was dead. Oh. Little girl, boy, whatever. Hey up. Amy's got in the way now. She wants it, really, don't you? You'd think he was a dead bird lying there. Stop now, Dave. Now what are you going to do? Hey, stopped. I've taken the light out of the thing now, so it's not there anymore. He doesn't need it anymore. Other breeders would have put him outside by now, but he's still a baby in my eyes. Look at it. That is absolutely the funniest thing, the way he's lying. How many birds sleep like that? Not many. I'll tell you what else he loves. He likes being stroked. He's like a cat. You know when you stroke a cat and they rise up to push the bodies into your hand when you stroke them. He does. She does this as well. That's if it is a she. There's a few little red feathers coming here. Look, watch him. Yeah, he likes that, don't you? He does. He likes being stroked. Little noises. Oh, dear me. Poor Dave. It's not on at the moment, mate. It's off. Dave. There's a dish of food there for him and Humphrey. He's still got his little dish in his box, but he's found that now because that was where Humphrey used to come and eat. What are you doing, Mr. Gary? You leave him alone. Look at him licking his lips. Yum, yum, yum. Nice bit of quail for dinner. Amy. Sitting in the dish. Look at him scratching everywhere. What's he doing, Gary? Eh? Suppose, well, it's got sides in it. He's not spreading it too far when he's scratching. Whereas that little dish he had in his, that he's got in his little enclosure there, it's shallow, so every time he scratches it just goes everywhere. When Humphrey gets in here, he scratches it everywhere, makes a mess. Gary having a drink of water. Right, well, there's no change in the incubator at the moment. Nothing's happening particularly. Although we're only on day 17 now, actually. I thought it was yesterday, but it's today. I haven't heard any signs of anything, but I'm going to leave them for 24 days. Just to make sure. I left them all for 30 days last time, but there was no need for that. Seeing better this way, I think. I'm not opening it. I don't want to jeopardise them, but the only reason they could possibly not hatch is because they were in the fridge for quite a while, because I had collected 12 up, and remember, that's 12 days worth. And apparently I've looked online and you're supposed to not put them in the fridge. Although one of the others were in the fridge, the first couple, and one of them had a chick inside. So we just have to be patient a bit longer. We have got another very, very, very miserable day again, and it's been doing this since I woke up this morning. Poor things. Anyway, I've got some blueberries for them and some apple cider vinegar in water, which is supposed to be good, so let's go and see. Oh, you poor little ladies and boy. Do you like this that I've put up? And so I'm glad Dad put that up. They like it a lot. Although, well, I suppose it'll stop them pooing on the... Anyway, got some things for you. First thing, got some blueberries and... Oh, I know what else I've got to show you. Hello. Hello, Alice. And hello to you too. Jodie. No, it's not. Sorry. It's Judy. And you know this little man. And Felicity. Pauline. Abigail. Doris. Anne. Connie. Oh, Scraggers. It's Scraggy, sorry. Jodie. Tina even. Right, I've got this new thing, which looks like it's working. Stopping them making a mess. Look, they can't get in, they only get in with the beak, so they can't scratch it or move it. So that has really change things. Normally when I come in here after cleaning up in the morning, that is covered and it hasn't, so that's brilliant. That's going to reduce the waste. Right, let's change the water in this, so I need to... Ugh, why do you have to be so mucky? It's cleaned out yesterday. Oh, this isn't going... Right. So this is clean water with some apple cider vinegar in, and it's supposed to do them good. So we've got some nice clean water there. And I have some blueberries. So let's see who wants one. Abigail, blueberry. One for you. One for you. Oh, Jock will want one, won't you, Jock? Jock. One for you. No, you're not coming in and getting my berries. Who's next? You want one? No. No, Abigail, you're not having them. Where can I put them? Stop you nicking them. Put them on there for a minute. Mother, who wants a berry? One for you. One for you. I can't have the... Oh, you little monkey finding your way over. You Sarah. Scraggy, you want one? Scraggy. Yeah. Oh, it's Felicity. Come on, Fliss. Where are you? Let's see if you have one. Yeah. Come on then. Come on. That's a good girl. There you go. Is that nice? They're falling out. They're falling out. Oh, this isn't going well. How does JD film and do stuff at the same time? I find it very difficult. Do you know what? I'm going to just spread them on the floor. Come on. That'll keep you occupied for a bit, actually. Give you something to... Fancy... do you know, it kills me to give these blueberries away because they're not cheap. I know I got a reduced set. They were supposed to be reduced, but not a lot much. Oh dear. Ew. And do you know what? I don't know if anyone's laying because they're all stuck in. I've got a few eggs this morning, but there should be some in there. I'm going to have to collect them after. I don't want to disturb them now. I've just put all that berries on the floor. It's alright, don't have to go outside. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Good girl. That's it. Yes, that feeder's brilliant. Standing up on its legs, and it's reducing the... That's what the mess... Because I put the pellets in there, they're not as fond as of the pellets as they are as the mash. I'm glad they like this bar across here. I'm going to have to fix it a bit better there in case it moves. You ate all them berries already? Flipping heck. Do you know what? I've blimmin' missed the opportunity. All the hedgerows down my little road here are absolutely full of blackberries, or they were. People come from in the village up here to come and pick them. And if I'd have realised, I should have picked some for these girls. I should imagine they're all gone now. Oh, look at that beautiful fluffy bottom. I'm really loving that little fluffy bottom. Judy looks amazing. Oh, Judy's bottom. Beautiful. Look at that. Sexy fluff. Oh, she's easy to tell now with that beautiful fluffy bottom. Oh. Oh, I hate this weather. I feel so sorry for you all that you can't go out. Terrible. Why? That one's bottom's not. It's not coming through very well at all. That one, it's still very bare. And Felicity's back. I don't like that. I'm waiting for her feathers to come through, but she's very red. Well, not red, pink. She's not as bad as she was when she first came. Well, I hope you like that water, because it's got some strange taste to it now. It's only a little bit in there, but it's supposed to do them good. I hope, where's Jock off to? He's going up there. Look like you're about to fly up to that perch. Hey, it is good, you know. I don't think I'm going to need that fencing now. The only bit of fencing I need is to section them off from the chapel. And I only need one to do that. I don't... So, it's great that he's just been accepted. And they're just staying here now. Nobody's trying to escape. But as long as I make it nice for them, then they're not going to go anywhere, are they? They're not going to go off into the wild for no reason when they've got food here. And if I keep feeding them nice things and they get used to me coming out with nice things, they won't want to go, hopefully. Well, you what are you all gathered round there for? I don't want you going near those quails. You look like you're pursuing them, poor things. This is the only thing about the rain that upsets me. I'm going to have to bring those two in, I think. Because they can't do anything while these hens are in here. Because they usually, when the hens are out in the garden, the quails are usually out in here, running about and doing what they want. But because the hens are all stuck in here, they get intimidated because the hens will attack them. So I need to do something. I mean, I had to put that there because the hens were squeezing through this little gap trying to get into them. Oh, you're going to go in and lay, Miss Fluffy Bottom. They do a bit of dust bathing in this as well. There he goes. Where is he doing? Oh, that wasn't very nice, was it? What are you going to do? Are you eating that, Jock? Can you get yourself in those little tiny places? I think you should be able to. Yeah. I know it's hard, but I'm sorry, but you can't have the bigger ones because they just make too much mess. So that's how it's going to have to be for now. Uh-oh. Alice. Flipping heck, I can still hear Humphrey from here. Right, I shall stop this now. There's nothing much else to see. Really is. Oh, what's going on there? Oh, she stopped. They peck each other's. Whoa, she's sitting with her head back. Both of them. Is it mother and her intimidating? Look. That's strange. What you doing? Anne? That was a weird thing to do. Well, that's it then. Shall leave you all to it, poor girls and boy. Okay, I'll see you later. Hopefully if the rain stops and you can all go out, we might film again later.